5 and 6. It's a lovely sunny day today, so I thought I would film our celebration assembly in the garden. I hope you've had a good week this week. I've been teaching Year 5 maths, which has been really fun, and I've really enjoyed seeing all your work coming in. And so let's see who has been sending in excellent work this week and has won a certificate. So from Churchill class we have Eric, Hader, Racer, Shyster, Barris and Adam. Well done to those children. From GANDHI class we have Kavish. From LUTHERKING, well done to Mariama, Race, Anastasia, Zubair, Ibrahim, Ayub, Blinart, Harisa, Anishanth, Elias and Zara. Well done Vinaya and Anna. From Darwin class, well done to Barthana, Erin, Robert, Srivatsan, Marwa, Sahira, Barthana. And onto Shackleton class, well done Miria, Biranavan, Karim, Tia, Kyle, Arishan, Nikhil and Yogesh. So huge well done to all of you. That means we've finished our half term. You've worked hard all half term, you've done loads of online learning, so hopefully you can have a nice break for a week and then we'll see you after half term.